everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's been a week or so since we brought you a cocktail, so we're all feeling kind of thirsty. Tonight we are going to make a cocktail that I think you'll all enjoy, and it's something we call the Mexican Firing Squad. So, before we do that, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. That way you're sure to find out about any cocktails we make. If you have one that you want to see us make, leave a comment. Tell us what you like about the cocktail. Tell us what you don't like about the cocktail. We'll take that. And hit the like button. So, with all that out of the way, let's get pouring. We're going to start with our shaker glass. And our first is 2 ounces of tequila. And we're using Blanco Tequila. Today we're using Cabo Wabo Blanco. That's one of our favorites. I know, he says it all the time. That's one of his favorites. They're all my favorites. So there's the Cabo Wabo. Next, we're going to go in there and we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of Grenadine. And this isn't the bright red stuff you see in the grocery store. This is homemade. Let us know if you want to see us how to make it. It's really pretty simple. It's a pomegranate simple syrup. And 3/4 of an ounce is going to go in there. Next, we got to have some fresh citrus in there. Fresh is best. 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And that's going in there. The last ingredient that we're going to throw into the shaker is 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, throw some ice in there. We're going to pop the top on that and give it a good shake to chill it down. Look at that color. That looks pretty good. Next, we're going to add our glass. We're going to throw some fresh ice in there. And get a little bit more in there. And we are going to pour that in there. Looking good so far. Next, we got some Topo Chico. A little bit of mineral water in there. We're going to top it off with that. And last but not least, we are going to garnish with a lime wheel. And that is the Mexican Firing Squad. Cheers, everybody. You'll like that one.